We do understand if there is a really important family function or something which is unavoidable, it is always better to postpone the period rather than prepone the period. What were your grandmothers doing centuries ago, so many years ago, to delay the periods? They were much more orthodox than us, and they didn't have the medicines that are available to us nowadays. So I guess they were invariably postponing or preponing the function or the festival. However, it has become common practice nowadays for women to approach us gynecologists to postpone or prepone the period. My sincere advice would be, please consult your doctor before taking medicines for preponement, postponement. Most of you may know the name of the medicines and it's available over the counter. Kindly do not misuse it. Hello, I'm Dr. Poorni Narayanan, Associate Consultant at the DIVAKARS Speciality Hospital, Bengaluru. My usual question to women who come asking for delaying the periods by 1 week or 10 days is, what were your grandmothers doing centuries ago, so many years ago, to delay the periods? They were much more orthodox than us, and they didn't have the medicines that are available to us nowadays. So I guess they were invariably postponing or preponing the function or the festival. However, it has become common practice nowadays for women to approach us gynecologists to postpone or prepone the period. My sincere advice would be, please consult your doctor before taking medicines for preponement, postponement. Most of you may know the name of the medicines and it's available over the counter. Kindly do not misuse it. But yes, we do understand if there is a really important family function or something which is unavoidable, it is always better to postpone the period rather than prepone the period, because a period preponed, we cannot guarantee you that the scheduled period will not come again and repeat at the time when you don't want it. So consult your doctor. These medicines are safe when taken once in a while, occasionally. But kindly do not get into the habit of purchasing over the counter and using it repeatedly to postpone or prepone your cycles.